Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. The snow fort walls begin to crack under the afternoon sun. Small pieces crumble and fall to the ground. If the walls give way, the fort will collapse. A new word becomes important in this moment: reinforce. Reinforce means to strengthen something by adding support. More packed snow must be added quickly. Fresh layers are pressed firmly against the weak spots. The walls grow thicker and stronger. The fort stands tall once again. Timo remembers that to reinforce is to make something stronger by supporting it, and he walks forward knowing he can strengthen whatever lies ahead.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.